Hello everyone, welcome back to Nat 2. This is Nat Tuesday. Another week, another topic. This week's topic on Nat 2 is going to be about two major ancient secrets of two women of two different cultures, two different times, two different ages. These women are very well known around the world, pretty much, with their ancient secrets of growing long, beautiful, thick hair. The first that I would like to talk about is the Chadian women, the women of Chad. If you've never heard of Chebe, you must keep watching this video. And the next women that I want to talk about are the Yao women. These are women from China or Asia, and these women are in the Guinness Book of World Record for having the longest hair in the world. Two women across two different spectrums of life, both with ancient secrets. If you're interested in knowing about these secrets, please stay tuned. Okay, so these women are, like I say, very popular. As you know, the Chebe movement has been going around for quite some time. I've used Chebe myself. I've made oils from it, and the Chebe has done a great job thickening my hair. But lately I've been doing the rice water because I kind of started putting some heat on my hair and I wanted to do more of a treatment, and I know rice water has protein in it. So I'm going to show you guys how I combine the rice water that the Yao women make and the Chebe that the Chadian women make, and I'm going to combine these two together so you can see how I can put these two together to make an explosive concoction that's going to be really good for your hair. Concoction is something that I like to use on my ends up toward the mid shaft of my hair because, like I say, I'm trying to dabble with some things with my hair, so I want to keep my hair protected. I have found that the rice water is a really good protein treatment for my hair. Some of y'all may not want to use rice water because of the protein, but the amount of protein that's in the rice water is really not that bad. Of course, combining it with the Chebe powder. This Chebe powder that I actually use is the Stemmy Grow powder. It's like 100% herbal, authentic. it's something that works well with the rice water. I also use beet juice in the rice water as well. Like I say, I use it for my hair, and it's helping my hair to strengthen it, to protect it, to help it to grow better, because it's, you know, getting all the nutrients and the vitamins and what it needs, that these combinations of these two ancient secrets are coming together. Again, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for every last video that I post. I'm trying to post every Tuesday. This is Nat Tuesday. So if you like all the tutorials that I'm putting out, please let me know. Send me a comment, because I have plenty more to go. I have a lot of recipes I want to share with you guys that I use on my hair. I also have an online store. I sell lots of oils, herbs, and whatnot. So if you're interested, look at the link below. Until next time, as I always say, be natural, stay natural, take care, and God bless.